This is little,
isn't it? I don't think I can get my legs in here. We need to start going to a bigger pub.
Yeah. Yeah, Gulliver's is just not working, is it?
Anyway, cheers.
Right.
So, let's discuss the rules for our Wheel of Fate. So I think we're going to need to have what the theme is.
Dinner party?
Dinner party, yeah. Like a 3-course meal.
That's going to be fun with budgets.
Like kids party.
That could be fun.
Because I can imagine if you're doing a kids party and you get the wrong kind of shop, that could be a very interesting challenge, I think.
And not a very good budget as well.
Bad for budget.
There's kids who'll just be on loads of crisps and Haribos. Date night?
Yeah, date night would be good.
Like a romantic kind of.
Because I think probably quite a few people have got a budget for a date night anyway. You might not have a huge amount of options to actually impress a date. So yeah, I think that's a good one.
What about things like just breakfast, lunch, dinner?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
That's not too bad where we're at, really.
Yeah, I think we'll go through and maybe add a few more in. But we'll tell you guys what we actually add in. Budget, I think. Yeah. And I think we'll just select a range of budgets up to, a really tight budget up to a really...
How tight? As low as £1 or...
A pound would be a challenge, wouldn't it?
£1 would be like... So imagine getting a business lunch for £1.
Could be some good challenges there.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if you can buy much for £1, but maybe that's a really good challenge.
Okay, so minimum £1, maximum.
I suppose you could go maybe £25.
25 would be nice.
25 would be nice,
£25 on a date night would be pretty good, or a dinner party. But
I mean, £25 for date night, you could really have some quite high-class dishes.
Like a prawn cocktail.
Like prawn cocktail, orange juice as well, that traditional starter that they had in the 70s.
Number of people.
Now, I suppose...
So again,
what do you think?
Minimum?
Minimum one person, I suppose. Well, I suppose if you're cooking yourself
date night, one person. We all know what's going on, how that's going to finish.
Some kind of dinner to cry into if it's one person on a date night.
One person, and then up to a max of...
Say 10 people?
10 people on £1.
10 people on a date night? That's some very uncomfortable date night.
Date night's traditionally just 3 people, isn't it?
Is it?
Isn't it not? Is it not? No?
I've never been on a date night with more than one person, so I actually don't know what the
date night would automatically be as 2 people, should we?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
So I suppose next we would have the shop.
Where you're going.
Yeah, like a BP garage or any generic garage.
A garage, not a garage where you have like a supermarket attached.
No,
but actually just a plain petrol station, basically.
Because I can imagine doing a date night where your choice is a ham and bacon slice
and some tunes and some cough sweets for
well, I suppose doing a dessert as well from a garage would be tricky.
Okay, so then we've got just the standard supermarket. So Tesco.
Well, Lidl and Aldi are going to be quite good ones.
Lidl and Aldi are your friend.
They're your friends.
In this. And as is obviously sort of comes under that a little bit. Tesco, Sainsbury's, a little bit more pricey.
I mean, if we really want to push the boat, and then Waitrose.
Okay, Waitrose
for £1 is.
Well, Marks and Spencer's.
Also, we've got our kind of Asian supermarkets and Polish supermarkets.
Would definitely. I'd actually quite like to get one of those. A bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, and so there may be a bit of a language barrier as well, because go to some Polish supermarkets and sometimes it looks great, the picture, but I can't read Polish, so so
I do struggle in some of the Asian ones like that.
And how about something like Iceland and...
Yeah, Iceland, so lots of frozen stuff. You mean the shop, not the country, don't you?
Oh, we can go to the shop. Yeah, let's go to the shop.
Oh,
the shop now.
Yeah, I'll put shop.
I suppose if your budget's £1, flying to Iceland is going to be a challenge.
You could stow away, I suppose. Anything else for that?
I suppose, like just say any reduced section.
Okay.
So,
oh, I see. So you could actually go around a few places. But
yeah,
only
can go to that. And then reduce section.
Yeah,
which is probably a bit of a challenge depending on what's there.
Yeah, that could be interesting.
Okay,
that's not bad. I'm happy with that.
That maybe we add the Joker as well to play.
Well, I was thinking about something like the Joker kind of thing.
Okay. So I suppose good ones, especially on a kind of budget challenge, would be like doubling your budget, adding money to your budget, but then got the same token reducing the budget, like halving it.
Imagine if you get £1 and it's down to 50p, a dinner party for 10 people.
If we're making the rules, should we say £1 is the minimum you can ever get?
Maybe if you got reduced by £1 and then you win for, you get like £1, we can just be a respin.
I think a respin.
Maybe respin could be one of the categories.
Yeah,
anyway.
respin your budget.
Or
a forfeit.
A forfeit. Eat dog food. Cat dog food.
Eat one of your chilies.
Or like a raw habanero. Dress up real pretty.
Dress up real pretty.
While you do the shopping.
Well, to be honest, that's not really a forfeit for me. That's a life choice.
I would do the shopping in your dressing gown.
Yeah, do your shopping shouting.
Or really, really pissed.
Really pissed, yeah.
Which again would be shouting in a dressing gown.
And again, is that a forfeit to drink? Should we include herbs and spices?
I think so. I think that certain things, like you wouldn't want to buy like a whole thing of flour if you're only using like a tablespoon of it. So maybe like we could include
store cupboard ingredients that most people will likely have.
I think herbs and spices is fine. Oils, like cooking oil, you don't want to buy a crisp and dry or olive oil or something.
And again, people are more likely to have olive oil or sunflower oil or butter already in.
So butter can go in.
And to be honest, if you include butter, what could we actually get for £1 anyway? You know, or oil or spices.
You could literally just have butter.
And that's a lovely date night if you've got a date round and you're just basically serving butter. Herbs, spices, fats, within reason. I think all of these within reason, because maybe we have you can pick 2 herbs and spices or 3, or
yeah, I mean you wouldn't go
unlimited.
Too much more. Well, you wouldn't go too much more than any of those.
No,
really,
I suppose.
I suppose. So you could always go for like an actual proper, like just mixed herbs. I've got a
You haven't tried my 35 spice cheesecake, have you?
Not yet. No, but I'm not willing to try.
It's got over 30 spices in.
Incredible. Yeah, I think that's probably about it. Should we go and make this up and then come back and actually have a challenge?
We'll write all these up. We may add a few more options, and then we'll spin for the first time and see what we get.
Oh, pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Right, this is a really tiny pub, by the way. I know we said it, but
let's get on that miniature railway.
So we've written up all the choices and we've got a series of wheels that's going to dictate the other person's fate. I'm going to spin yours, you're going to spin mine.
Yes.
So the first category is theme. So this could be a dessert, office meeting, kids party. So let me spin your wheel.
The wheel of doom.
The wheel of fate. You have received dinner.
Dinner?
So you're cooking dinner.
Okay. So far, so good.
So that's quite an easy choice, I think, dinner, isn't it?
At the moment.
At the moment. Well, let's see your budget. So this is a range from £1 all the way up to £25. So a £25 dinner is going to be...
For one person.
That's going to be quite pushing the boat out quite a lot with ingredients. Okay, let's see what your budget is.
Wheel of fate.
Your dinner is £1.
Is it?
You've got to spend £1 on your dinner.
Oh no. Please be kind.
This
Is
could
this
be
the number of
tricky.
people now?
Number of people. Okay, so let's do number of people. Now this ranges from one person, £1 may be doable. 10 people, good luck.
I can feel a joker coming on.
Yes, yeah. Okay, let's spin the wheel of fate.
Wheel of fate.
You are cooking for 6 people for £1.
Well.
Now, hopefully everyone loves ramen. £1 in Lidl probably stretches a little bit further than £1 in Waitrose. Okay, you ready?
Go.
Wheel of fate. Wheel of fate.
And you are shopping at the Asian supermarket.
Wow. Well,
So a dinner for
that's
£1,
not bad.
that could potentially be doable.
I'm still going to play a joker.
So, shall we find out what your joker is going to be? Your joker today, Andrew Taylor,
Wheel of fate.
is
Wheel of fate.
an extra £2.
Wow.
So, that's made it marginally easier.
Cool. Okay, so I'm up to £3. Dinner for 6 people from an Asian supermarket with £3. Right, you bastard.
A little nervous about my choices.
Let's see what you get first. So first of all, we're going to do the theme that you are cooking is
Wheel of fate. Wheel of fate.
it's rolled into lunch.
Okay, lunch.
Lunch.
Now, is that a lunch for multiple people, and what's the budget? Because
have
a
a look.
lunch is fairly flexible.
Number of people. You are making lunch for
Wheel of fate. Wheel of fate.
3 people.
3 people, okay. Now, again, 3 people could be fairly easy.
This
But
is where
it's the budget. Budget
This
is
is where
isn't it?
it could all go horribly wrong for you, fingers crossed.
Wheel of
You're
fate.
still bitter about the
Wheel
table,
of
aren't you?
fate.
It's £1.
It's a pound.
pound.
Okay, okay.
Right, where?
So
Where are you spending this shitty
each
pound?
dish has to cost 33p.
So happy.
Is it too happy?
It's
Okay, what's my
going
shop?
to
What's my-
be-
Wheel of fate. Wheel of fate.
It's Aldi. It's Aldi.
Okay, that's maybe given me a fighting chance there. Because £1 maybe go for something pasta. I might play a joke on that.
You are going to play a
I think I'm
joker.
going to play a joker.
Oh.
Because a joker could give me extra money. I could re-roll the budget.
Okay,
Okay.
let's have a look.
This
Wheel of
could be
fate.
the worst choice
Wheel
I've
of
made. Playing a joker.
fate.
Add 2 people.
Right, that was bad choice. So 5 people for £1 lunch.
Aldi.
That's a challenge. Okay,
Challenge accepted then.
challenge accepted. So we're going to go off. We're going to try and buy the ingredients for this. I have no idea how I'm going to feed 5 people for £1, and we'll see what happens. How are you
Yeah.
feeling about yours?
Six people at an Asian supermarket for £3 is going to be tricky.
That's going to be tricky. No. So
Oh, why am I laughing?
let's go to the shops.
Wheel of fate. Wheel of fate.